Imagine standing on a busy street where cars are honking loudly, an emergency vehicle is blaring, and a construction worker is operating a demolition hammer. All these sounds, unpleasant noises, blend together to create what we call as a cacophony. Cacophony refers to a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. It's what happens when different noises that don't go well together happen all at once. The result is something that's jarring, uncomfortable, and downright chaotic to listen to. Think of cacophony in terms of its synonyms blare and clamor. Cacophony is a noun. There are two adjectives associated with this word cacophonic and cacophonous. Both the words are used to describe something that involves or produces dissonant, unpleasant sounds. Let's see the word being used in certain examples. During the festival, the streets are alive with a cacophony of sounds. The cacophony in the cafeteria made it hard to hear my own thoughts. This describes a setting where multiple loud sounds combine to create such a loud environment that it's hard to focus on anything else. She described the meeting as a cacophonous chaos with everyone talking at once. In this case, cacophonous chaos describes a meeting where there's no order and people are talking over each other, making it nearly impossible to follow any particular conversation. The room was filled with a cacophonous mix of several TV sets playing at once. To summarize, cacophony refers to a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds that are jarring, uncomfortable, and chaotic to listen to. It occurs when different clashing noises happen simultaneously. The word is a noun, and its related adjectives are cacophonic and cacophonous.